Hey guys, geeking to everyone. On this video, I'm gonna tell you about functions in Python. Let's start. In Python, a function is a block of reusable code that performs a specific action. It helps in organizing and structuring code, promoting reusability, and enhancing readability of the program. Functions allow you to break down a complex problems into smaller and manageable pieces. In Python, functions are defined using the def keyword followed by the function name and parentheses. The function body is indented below the function definition. Okay, look on the screen. You can see an example of the function. And if you want to execute the code within function, you need to call it by using its name followed by parentheses. The function call triggers the function to perform its specific task. Look at the screen, you can see how to call the function of our example. Let's talk about functions, parameters, and arguments. Function parameters are placeholder defined in the function signature. They act as variables that will receive values when the function is called. Look at the screen on the example. The greet function has name as parameter. Let's talk about function argument. Function arguments are the values that are passed into a function when it's called. So look at the screen. When we call greet function, we pass parameter Alice. Let's talk about return statement. Functions can also return values using the return statement. The return statement specifies the value or values that the function should provide back to the caller. This allows you to capture the result of a function and use it in the further computations or assignments. So look at the screen on the example of the function named addNumbers, where we pass two parameters, a and b, and return the sum of this parameter, a plus b. Also, you can see the result variable which we assigned to the addNumbers function with the two arguments. And you can see the output of the print function with the result variable. This output equals 7. That's 3 plus 4. Okay, let's open a VS Code and write some code. So let's write the function. I have to start with the def keyword. Then the name of the function is gonna be geek. Then parentheses. Okay, on the body of the function, I'm gonna write print function, and I print geeking for everyone. Okay, nice. If I want to call this function, I have to type this name, geek, with parentheses, and then I can run this code. On the output, you can see geeking for everyone. That means this code into the body of the function geek executed successfully. Okay, if I want to return something from this function, okay, I have to type return, and I can return just integer, like number 12. And I assign this function to variable function, okay. And if I print function, let's do that. On the output, you can see there is a number 12. Okay. Also, let's pass the parameter name. Let's print this name. The name is gonna be Adam. Okay, if I run this code, on the output, you can see this string Adam. Okay. So here is the parameter, here is the argument. Okay. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Ciao, ciao.